Who says you need an expensive camera to create stunning lifestyle vlogs or a faceless YouTube vlog channel? With the help of AI, you can bring your daily routine to life, which are smooth, cinematic, and beautiful without ever hitting the record button. Welcome to a day in my life. Simple, soft, and intentional. From the moment I wake up to my quiet time with God, cleaning up myself, this isn't just content, it is creativity and redefining. Let me show you how I achieve this.
Hello guys, welcome to AI with Fumzi. So for us to generate our image or for us to actually develop our idea, we need to head over to ChatGPT. So I'm currently on ChatGPT and this is my command. You can see how long it looks. You might be saying whether I actually typed this. No, I didn't type it. So this is like a bonus trick or a trick of how you can actually get a very lengthy command which you can send to ChatGPT. So you can see this option right here. This option is like a record sign. So once you tap on it and it starts recording, you have to put in, like, you have to say what you want ChatGPT to do for you. So you can see all these things I wrote here or these things that are written here are the things I actually said. So once you tap on that record button and start recording, just say everything to ChatGPT and it's going to convert your voice to text. So that is how I was able to achieve this very lengthy command. So I'm going to actually paste this command either on the comment section or the description box, so check it out. So what my command is all about is that I told ChatGPT that I want to create a lifestyle vlog video of a young, so just put in the person might be a young man or a young lady. You put in the tribe, whether the person is from American, Jamaica. You put in her age, and also you put in how this person looks like. Say is for a lady that is living independently in a luxurious house. So I told it that I want it to develop this idea for me of how she spends her day-to-day activities. So once I've put that, you now have to give ChatGPT a description of how a day goes on, so that's how ChatGPT is going to segment it into scenes. So I said that it should start from when she's waking up from the bed, stretching her body, praying, brushing her teeth and washing her face, heads over to the kitchen to prepare something, works on her laptop, heads out to get some stuffs, and she enters a typical Nigerian bus, goes to the ATM gallery. That's just me giving ChatGPT what this vlog will be all about. So once I'm done with that, I then went ahead and said I would love you to give me a few scenes, like about 15 to 20 scenes. So it depends on how you want it to be. So just input that, and also I want it to give like the camera angle of this particular vlog. So once I have given my command to ChatGPT, it responded by giving me a whole description, like scene by scene, of what I actually asked it to do. So you can see it: scene 1 of she waking up, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4 bedroom routine, scene 5, scene 6, up to scene 20. So you can see it's up to scene 20. But the thing right here is that you can see that all these scenes that I gave is not well detailed. It doesn't even include the description of this particular girl we are trying to show her lifestyle. I went ahead to ask ChatGPT that it should give me a perfect descriptive prompt of this particular girl. It should include her facial features. So here is where you're going to put in her looks, whether she's slender, whether she's thick. You just have to put it in this very place. And also you have to say whether she's constantly putting on cornrows, like her hairstyle, and also her style of dressing. You also have to input that. So once I have done that, this is what ChatGPT gave to me: a description of this particular girl in question. So right here, I asked ChatGPT to give me a perfect descriptive prompt for scene one. That means it should include the description of scene one and the description of this girl as a whole, so that when I take it to my text to image generating tool, it's going to generate it perfectly for me. Don't worry, I'm going to paste in this text prompt for you guys. So this is what ChatGPT gave to me for scene one, and I really liked how it described it and also put the camera movement. So I also repeated the same thing for it to give me for scene two, and it also did the same thing. So I'm going to copy this text prompt and head over to the text to image generating tool, which is going to convert this text to image. Guys, the AI tool we are going to use to convert our text to image is ideogram. So go to your browser and search for ideogram.ai. Once it opens up at this very place here, make sure you log in using your email address. So since I'm already logged into an email address, so I'm just going to use it like this. You can see you are given 12 credits every week, so you just have to use it. And for you to create multiple images, please read what is on the screen. So tap on this plus button here. So I've tapped on the plus button, and this is what it gives me right here. This is the place I'm going to paste in my text prompt. So I'm going to paste in my text prompt, which I copied from ChatGPT. So once I've pasted it in, before I'll tap on generate here, I'll first of all check the style. So you can see the style is already on realistic, but in case you want to change it from realistic, you tap on this small arrow and you can see so many styles here. You can see design, random, but since I want something very real and something very natural, that's the reason why I'm using realistic. So in your own case, just put in realistic and make sure your aspect ratio is set at 16:9. So it's already set on 16:9. If you want 9:16 like YouTube short, you tap here. If you want 16:9, you tap here. Hope you get that. So since you are done setting this and it's already set at 4, that means it's going to give us 4 images you get. So I'll tap on generate and wait for some seconds for this to generate. So guys, you can see that our image has generated. Let me show you guys what the image is. It's 4 images. So this is the first image, this is the second image, this is the third image, this is the fourth image. These are the images which ideogram generated for me for scene 1. So just go ahead and choose the one you like. Once you have seen the one you like, I think I like this one, so just tap on these 3 dots here and then you tap on download JPEG, you get, and it will get downloaded into your device. So this is how I'm going to do it for the rest prompt. I'll go ahead and copy my text prompt from ChatGPT for scene 2 and I'll come to ideogram and put it in and it will generate my image for me. To change the face of the images which ideogram generated for us, we need to face swap it. Yes, we need to do what is called face swapping, and what we're going to be using is this AI tool, this online AI tool known as Remaker AI face swap. So just tap on that and you wait for it to open up. So this is it right here, Remaker AI face swap online for free. Yes, it's for free. You are given free credit, though they have their own plan, but you are being given free credit. So this is the interface right here. You can see how simple it looks. So you can see the pricing here. You can see it. You can get about 150 credits for $2. Yes, $2.9. So it's as low as this, so you can see there. So but we are using the free trial, and that allows about 5 free credits. So you can see the free credit here. Tap on that. You can see I've actually used day 2. So as the day goes by, for day 1 they'll give you 1 free credit, for day 2 they'll give you 6 free credits. So by God's grace, tomorrow they're going to give me 7 free credits to see it. So I've already used one to test run this tool. So what I'm going to do to get started, you can see it's right, upload original image. Upload original image, this is where you're going to upload in. When you tap on that, it will direct you to your gallery. and this is where you're going to upload in the images which you generated uh from ideogram, you get. So this is my image here. This is the image I want to first upload in. So this is the image which ideogram generated for me. That's for this first box. So we have uploaded the image. For this second box, this is where we're going to upload in the image, our face. Like, you have to get a selfie, a clear good selfie of your face, so that it should look like you, so that this image should look like you. Hope you guys are seeing that this face is just like the normal one which ideogram generated for me. So I'll tap on here to upload my image. So guys, this is my image right here. I have uploaded it in, and then once I am done, remember this first one is for you to upload in the AI generated image, while the second one is for you to upload in your own image. So it should be a very clear image. So once I've uploaded that, you can see where it writes swap. So this is going to cost us 1 credit, you get. So in our 5 credits, this generation will cost us 1 credit, remaining 4 credits. So I'll tap on swap and wait for some seconds for this to actually swap the image. So guys, you can see what it gave us right here. This now looks like my face. So in case you want it to be hyper realistic, to look like you, just go ahead and do this. It will actually help you a whole lot. So this is what we have. So this is how so once you are done swapping the face, you tap on download and it will get downloaded into your device. You get me? It will get downloaded into your device. Since I have done this for scene 1, or for the first image, this is how I'm going to do it for the rest of the images. So for this very place, I tap on it to re-upload another image. I'll then go ahead and re-upload another. I'll still re-upload another image which ideogram generated for me. So this is my very image. I'll still leave it intact. This is the one I'll just be changing as the time goes on, you get me? So I'll tap on swap and wait for some seconds. It's not even up to minutes, and this will generate. So this is how you're going to do it for the rest scenes, for the rest image scenes. This is how you're going to do it. Guys, for us to animate our image, we'll first of all get like a text prompt. Yes, a action prompt that we are going to use, like we're going to input into the image to video generating tool, like the prompt which we are going to give to the image to video generating tool. So on that same chat you had with ChatGPT, you go ahead and ask it to give you a perfect, suitable, short action prompt that you can use to animate the images of the different scene. Make sure you put this word animate so that it should understand and give you the perfect action prompt for your images. So you can see what it gives me here. You can see it. This one is for scene 1, when she's waking up from the bed, she stretches. This is for scene 2, she's sitting calmly and opens the Bible, says a quiet prayer, and washing of her face. ChatGPT gave me this up to scene 20. I'm going to copy for each scenes and for each image. So guys, for us to animate our image, that's to convert our image to a video, we're going to be using Hailuo AI. So you can access it both from the app or on the website. So you have to tap on this very place here, this plus button, to get started to upload in your image which you want to convert to video. So I'll tap on plus button right here, and then I'll upload in my image. So I'm going to look for it in my gallery. Remember, the image you are uploading in is the one that you must have face swapped. Yes, the one that you must have swapped its face with yours. So don't just go and put in the original image, just put the image which you have already face swapped. So once you have successfully uploaded in our image, this very place we're going to put in our text prompt. Remember, the text prompt which ChatGPT gave to us, that's the action prompt which ChatGPT gave to us for the different scenes. This is the very place we're going to paste it in. Make sure you have already copied it. You know, ChatGPT is AI, so you need to like kind of read through what it gives to you and then through it. If the text prompt satisfies what you really want, you can leave it. If it doesn't really satisfy what you want, you can still go ahead and edit it. So you can also add some negative prompts. Negative prompts are those things like you don't want your results, like the results which this is going to give to you. Some things you don't want it to have, so you don't negative prompts such as this. You don't want it to look like cartoon prompt, so I don't want distortion, I don't want it to disfigure any part of my video, and I don't want to see any abnormal movement. You can also add blurry, so you don't want it to be blurry also. Done putting in your text prompts and everything, you can go ahead and tap on this very place here and tap on Hailuo 01 Live. This is the one I usually use, so I'll tap on that and then I'll tap on this to get started. Like, it should, when I tap on this, it's going to cost me 25 credits, and you can see one job is in queue. So I'm going to tap here to see how far my generation is going. Hi guys, I have animated the image. You can see, make sure that the image you're animating is the one you have face swapped. So this is for scene 1. You can see, yeah, so this is the next one when she is meditating slash praying. So you can see it right here. So I'm going to then repeat this same process for the rest other scenes. So guys, once I'm done animating my images, right now I have to edit them. So I have imported them. So this is for scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, and like that, like that, like that, like that it goes. So what I will do next, I want to edit it. So everybody has their own editing style, but as this thing, I'm even playing it right now, you can see that there are things that can actually make this video come to life. Even though we know that this is AI, is not real human, there is still a way we can at least make it a little bit interesting, you get. So what we are going to do is that we need to first of all put in music, a background music, a copyright free background music, and you can get copyright free background musics from YouTube audio library. I've actually made a video of how you can actually get copyright free music from YouTube audio library. I'm going to be I'll list out the musics from YouTube audio library that I actually used for this AI vlog video. I'm going to list it out, so just watch that video to see how you can access it, how to search for videos, and so that when I list out the video I used, you can be able to search for it. So apart from the background music that's going to play in this video, we also need like sound, like, because as it is like this, it's not really making much sense. Yes, even though it's being animated, it's not making much sense, so we need to like put background music. So from your initiative, you should like check, okay, on a normal like a human being doing this, what are some sounds that can be heard. Take for instance here that she's brushing her teeth, you can actually put a sound of the sound that toothbrush usually makes the teeth. So just note down these different sounds you put in the different scenes. You get me. So for us to get the sounds we need, we are going to go to Pixabay. So on your browser, just search for pixabay.com. Just write out all those sounds in a piece of paper, so that when you head over to pixabay.com, you can start searching for that. So I've actually written out my the sounds I'll be searching for. So the first one is brush sound. It's right here. It's even brought it out even before I typed in what I need. So I'm going to play it and see. One, I really love this sound because it kind of rhymes with the activity that's been done in the video. So that's how you have to download it. Just tap on this button here, tap on download, downloaded into your mobile phone. So this is how you're going to repeat it for all the scenes, the sound effects for all of them. So as I am done doing everything, I'm going to show you guys the final outcome.
Welcome to a day in my life. Simple, soft, and intentional. From the moment I wake up to my quiet time with God, cleaning up myself, strolling down the quiet streets to catch the early morning sun, cleaning the house, making breakfast, and eating, working from home, and hanging out with the people who I love. Every moment carries a little piece of my routine, my peace, and my growth. It's not about perfection, it's about presence. And this is me, choosing to live gently, create freely, and share my world in the most creative way possible. I created this entire vlog with the help of AI, and honestly, it still feels personal, real, and beautifully me. Welcome to my world.